All right, ChatGPT is the topic of the day. If you're not using ChatGPT for your plumbing business, you better start now. It's not going anywhere. It's free. I'm just going to do a quick demo of one of the things I personally use it for. Let's jump into this. All right, all I did was ask it to write me a detailed description for a job I'm quoting. It's a 5-piece bathroom renovation. We have to relocate the toilet, add a vanity, relocate the shower, and add a freestanding bathtub. I only need the description of the work being done in detail so I can enter it into my line item for my quote. So what I do is I do something like this. I just copy paste it and I bring it over to my QuickBooks, and this is how I can write out my quotes and have wicked detail, and I don't have to do anything other than reword some things. So in here, it kind of threw in some like cabinetry stuff and a couple other things down in the finishing part, like tile and cabinetry again. I didn't like that, so I just said only include things to do with plumbing. Beautiful thing about ChatGPT is you just got to know what to tell it. If you don't like it, you ask it to do something else, it will change it for you automatically, and you can just play around with it that way. The more you play with it, the more you learn how it works. The absolute beauty of it is endless opportunity of the things you can do with this. This is just a very brief, small thing. I can get more into detail, but I just want to show you guys how you can physically be using this for your business for free. So it gives me this detailed description. Number one, demolition and rough-in preparation. Gives you a little description of what needs to be done there. Disconnect and remove existing plumbing fixtures, cap off water lines, supplies like that. Relocation of the toilet, remove the existing toilet, disconnect the plumbing, install a new flange and relocate the pipe and extend the water. Plumbing for vanity installation, rough-in new plumbing connections for the vanity, including hot and cold water supply. Ensure all connections are appropriately positioned and secured for installation. Relocation of shower, plumbing for freestanding bathtub, and the plumbing final and the connections and things like that. There's obviously some things in here you might want to reword personally for yourself. It literally took 30 seconds or less for me to go through this and do this. If you try to write this out and do it yourself and type it out manually, this stuff can take forever. So this is exactly why I use it. It's a huge time saver. If you're not using it, start using it. If you guys have any questions at all, just let us know. I'd love to kind of chat more about it, whether it's in the comments or you can contact me personally at carson@theplumbinggurus.com. Again, start using it in your business. It is free. Why wouldn't you? Check it out. See you guys in the next one.